All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we have this gorgeous murdered out blood red interior Lamborghini Urus. I mean, look at this thing. Wheels are just amazing. Look at the size of that rotor and the caliper. I mean, just unreal, right? Gorgeous vehicle. No doubt why the client wants to keep it. So we're adding our, what we would consider like our stage 1 vehicle theft protection system. So this is a starter kill with a drone. So starter kills to me are like bare minimum. If you don't want to do anything, at least do a starter kill, because what that does is it inhibits the vehicle from actually starting it. Now the drone adds another layer, because now you're controlling it via a phone application, so there's no physical fob, there's no physical switch to find, nothing. Now there's also, if you guys know, we do alarms. We do IGLA and alarms. I mean, we do multiples. If you're interested in that, check out our YouTube channel at Showtime Audio. We have tons of videos of kill switches, alarms, alarm and drones, the works. Everything is on there. So if you're looking for anything, please let us know. So check this thing out. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous, right? So matte black on the outside, blood red with the black accents on the inside, the aluminum work on the grills, all the amazing stitching on the seats. I mean, this car is just gorgeous. There's no question why they want to keep it. So the nice thing is about that, with the application, you turn it on, you can sit here, press the button all you want, vehicle will not start. And then when you want to, you enable it, and then boom, you can listen to that thing, just nuts, right? It's an amazing, amazing vehicle. So we're gonna shut it off. It's got that little cover to protect the push to start button. But yeah, it's an amazing upgrade, simple, and it's completely done via remote. So you do it via an app. There's no physical fob or anything to find, basically. You can only do it with an application. Now, the benefit is you can do it from any device. You can do it from a phone, a tablet, or a PC. So a lot of times people are like, oh, well, what happens if they take my phone? Borrow your friend's phone, borrow somebody's phone, log into your account, push the button, car's dead. So that's one of the nice benefits of doing it with the drone mobile app, is that you can literally log into it via any platform, right? Any platform that you can log on to a website or an application, you can log on and control it. You can also log on and see it, right? So let's say the vehicle goes away, you can hop on the app real quick and just see what's going on, see where it'll tell you the heading and how fast it's going. It's just a super nice system. Plus, on this particular one, we also did this one has the X2 Max, which is the newest version of it, but it has a backup battery. So the nice thing is let's say they think they're smart, they're gonna unhook the battery and kill all the electronics in the vehicle. The unit will run on its own independent power, even after they do that.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.